How to switch back to your personal account on TikTok. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also using your TikTok business account or creators account, here's how you can easily move or switch back to your personal account. So first thing what you need to do is just come over to your TikTok profile and just click on this profile icon at the bottom right corner and simply select this hamburger icon at the top right corner. So once you're inside here, just select settings and privacy. And you can see there's option account, just tap on this. And once you're inside here, you can see there's option to switch the account to personal account. If you are using business account, currently I'm using business account, so just tap on this and all you have to do is just click on the switch anywhere button and you shall be successfully switched to personal account just like that. So if you ever want to re-switch back to business account, simply come over here and simply select this option in a similar way. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.